How to fix Spotify login problem. Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix the Instagram login problem. To fix the incorrect email and password error, you should try resetting your Spotify password. So all you need to do is open the Spotify app on your device. And there comes this sort of page. So click on the login button. There you could find a lot of options such as maybe continue with your Facebook or Google, or maybe manually enter in your email and a password. Now, for example, if you're gonna go with the email and password, then it's gonna be asked, or it's gonna ask you to enter in your username or maybe email and a password. For some reason, if you are unable to log in with the password, you could simply click on forgot password underneath. And when you click on the forgot password button, you could then be taken to the next field. You just have to go ahead and enter in the registered email address onto the field, and you could then be able to receive a reset link where you could go ahead and reset the password. And after updating the password, you could then log in with the newly updated password. That might be able to solve. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.